Off the box. Toward the box. Along the road. Hello friends. Today we will learn preposition of place and movement. Let's start the lesson. Prepositions of place. On the box. Under the box. Above the box. Below the box. In front of the box. Behind the box. Next to the box. In the box. Between the boxes. Among the boxes. Near the box. Far from the box. Prepositions of movement. Onto the box. Off the box. Over the box. Toward the box. Past the box. Up the stairs. Down the stairs. Out of the box. Into the box. Along the road. Cross the road. Thank you for watching.